Hi guys, welcome to the short video about what can happen if you are installing Malwarebytes on top of the Windows Defender. So a lot of people are installing Malwarebytes at the side of the normal built-in Windows Defender antivirus in Windows 10, and this has always been my suggestion to do. So we have two antivirus running side by side, and usually they didn't hurt each other. They were really doing good. Yeah, and this is what happened now to me. I installed same thing on a new laptop. I mean, I had the Windows Defender and I installed Malwarebytes free, and yeah, they seemed to work good. And then I had a large file which I wanted to scan with both things, with the Malwarebytes and with the Windows Defender, to see if there's something harmful on it. And I found out that I cannot even run at the moment the Windows Defender because it's blocked, it's deactivated, and it has been done by Malwarebytes. Obviously, this is crazy. So when you go to Windows Security, Virus and Threat Protection setting, you can see here real-time protection, it's disabled. You are using another antivirus provider and this has been disabling this. I mean, that's crazy. I mean, if you're planning to use Malwarebytes, the professional edition, I mean the full version, the paid version, then you could be okay and still good protected. But if you just plan for the free version, the crazy thing is, of course, the free version doesn't have a real-time protection, but when you install it, it will disable the real-time protection of the Windows Defender, and after about 2 weeks with the Malwarebytes, it will deactivate the real-time protection, and I'm not sure if this will then bring back the real-time protection of the Windows Defender. So it could be that at the end, after about 2 weeks, you could be without real-time protection, and we have to prevent that. So what I have found so far, we can go here, we have the Malwarebytes anyway. There's some setting with the Malwarebytes and I'm going into that. Let's double click on that, and we can then see some settings available. So here we have to go to this thing here and we get some settings, and there is the security tab, and when we go down we can find the thing Windows Security Center, always register Malwarebytes in the Windows Security Center. We can disable that, and I don't know if we have to save that. Yeah, they say turn on virus protection. It would have been nice if it would have been turned on automatically, but let's see if we can do that. Yeah, it looks a little bit different, but let's go out and go in again. So here we are. Yeah, we still cannot turn it on. It's really weird. So let's close everything. I think maybe we have to reboot. I'm doing a reboot here. So this is after reboot. Let's search for Defender in the security app. Maybe that's the thing here. So let's go to Manage Settings. Real-time protection is on again. Yeah, so I think we are now protected again. So it looks like we have to go to the settings of Malwarebytes, disable the option, then reboot, and then we have the real-time protection automatically on. That's good so far. So now I think we can run both again side by side, but this is really super annoying behavior from Malwarebytes and really disappointing. I never really expected such a thing here, that they will automatically disable, and maybe really after 2 weeks you will be without real-time protection if this is not coming back here. I mean, of course, yeah, to do these things here, to come to this page here for the Malwarebytes, you have to, I think you have to activate the premium protection, so we are really protected here at the moment from Malwarebytes, but we really don't know what's going to happen after 2 weeks, and I really didn't want to take any chances, and you better do the same if you're in the same situation. So yeah, I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments or other opinions on that, please write everything down into the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things, and if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.